Another test that we do is to evaluate the function of the middle ear. That's the part of the ear that's located right in behind the eardrum. One of the tests that we do to do that is called tympanometry. And what this does is it evaluates the what we refer to as the impedance of the eardrum, or the ability of the eardrum to allow sound to pass through. So I'm going to put these headphones on, and Brandon, you're going to hear a buzzing sound, and you'll feel a little bit of a pressure change. It shouldn't be uncomfortable. You don't have to do anything for this test. If it is uncomfortable, let me know. That's going to be tight enough. And then we just go over here. So for this test, you have to have a hermetic seal. Okay. So what that tells us is that if you look over here, it generates a little graph. And it tells us a couple of things. It tells us how flexible the eardrum is and what the pressure is in behind the eardrum. Now, the pressure in behind the eardrum should be the same as atmospheric pressure. In the middle ear, you have something called the eustachian tube that is connected from the middle ear to the back of your throat. And when you swallow, in a normal system, that tube should open and close to ensure, it's kind of like a pressure equalization tube. And its function is to open and close so that the pressure inside the middle ear stays the same as the pressure on the other side of the eardrum, or the pressure in the atmosphere. And so what this shows us is where the pressure is, and it should be close to zero. So where the peak occurs, that's the pressure in the middle, in behind the eardrum.